Sorry I'm late, boss. I was caught in traffic. I got here as fast as I could, though.
God damn it, John. I told you to be here an hour ago. I know there's traffic, but you should have gotten here on time. We have a serious issue.
Yeah. What's the serious issue?
We have a vigilante running outside our streets right this very moment.
It's just a vigilante. Can't the cops handle that?
Oh, no, John. No. You have it all wrong. This isn't just some vigilante. This is a really horrible vigilante. This vigilante can take shape of anybody, any object, run around, kill people, and it's in our city, running around the streets. And this is all your fault.
My fault? What did I do?
7 years ago, you decided to open up an experiment on this one creature that you found on the outside of these very city walls. You took it in, did some experiments on it, and now 7 years later, it's walking around really disgusting and disturbing, killing people, stabbing people, shooting people, choking people to death, and it's all because of you.
I'm sorry, but what do you want me to do? I can't face this thing with nothing.
Well, you're gonna have to, John. Get out of my office.
Fine, I'm leaving this city.
John died. All because of you. You laughed at him, made him cry, he wanted to kill himself. Now he has done just that. Burn in hell.